Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikramra from Elbrum Public School and this school situated in Golamazar. Okay, today we are going to learn topic addition. On last day we have learned topic addition. In addition we have learned addition of bigger numbers, and in addition of bigger numbers we have learned addition with regrouping and addition without regrouping. Okay, now come on the topic, that is properties of addition. That is very interesting topic. Properties of addition. Properties of addition. Properties of addition. Now that is very interesting topic, you can say. So now come on the topic, that is numbers can be added in any order. First property of addition: numbers can be added in any order, their sum will remain the same. Okay, first one is numbers can be added in any order, their sum will remain the same. Okay, as like when you will add, numbers can be added in any order, their sum will remain the same. As like 672, property first. 678 plus 2942 plus 2942. When we add them, add 8 to 10, 0, 1 carry, 7 for 11, 1, 12, 1 carry, 6, 9, 15, 1, 16, 1 carry, and 2, 1, 3. That is 3620. And when we change their order, that is 2942 plus 678. When we add them, that is 8 to 10, 0, 4, 7, 11, 1, 12, 1 carry, 6, 9, 15, 1, 16, 1 carry, and 2, 1, 3. So you can see here that numbers can be added in any order, their sum will remain the same. Okay, numbers can be added in any order, their sum will remain the same. You can see here example. Okay, let's see another type of example. 4212, 42576, 42576, 28357, and 28357, and 14049, and 14049. When we add them, that is when we add them, and after that we have to reverse their order and then add 6, 7, 13, 6, 7, that is 6, 7, 6 and 7 was 13 ones, 13 and 9, 21 ones, 2 carry. 7 to 9, 9, 5, 14, 14, 4, 18 tens, and right here 8 and 1 carry over to the hundreds column. 5, 1, 6, 6, 3, 8, there is 8, and 8 to 10, 10, 4, 14, 4, and 1 carry over to the 10,000 column. 4, 1, 5, 5 to 7, 7, 1, 8. That is 84,800. Sorry, something went wrong. 53819. Sorry. There is some mistake. Please wait. Now that is right series of numbers, and when we reverse it, that is 28,357 plus 14,049 and 42,576. When we add them, 7 and 16, 6, 22, 2, 1 carry, 2 carry, and 2 carry, and 2, 5, 7, 7 for 11, 11 and 7, 18, 1 carry, and 3, 1, 4, 4, 5, 9, and 8 for 12, 12 to 14, 1 carry, and 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 4, 4, 8. That is 84,980. So you can see here that numbers can be added in any order, their sum will remain the same. That is proof that is very easy. You can say here that you will reverse the order, their sum will remain the same. Okay, now come on the second property. The second property is when 1 is added to a number, that is second property of addition. That is second property of addition. That is second property of addition. When 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of a number. When 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of a number. You can see here that 236 plus 1, 100 times 1. 236 plus 1, that is 6, 1, 7 and 3 and 2. So 237 is the successor of 246. Okay, and you can see here that when is added to a number, the sum is the successor of the number. Okay, the next example you can see here 1000, 100, tens and ones. That is 4567 plus 1, that is 4568. So 4568 is the successor of 4567. Okay, let's see another example, that is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Okay, when we have, that is number is 7238. 7238 plus 1, 72,329. 78,329. So we can say that 72,329 is the successor of 72,328. Okay, so we have seen here when 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of the number. You can see here that when 1 is added to 236, that is 237. So 237 is 236 plus 1, that is 237, and 237 is the successor of 236. And also you can say that 237 comes after 236. Okay, 237 comes after 236. And also you can say that 237 is 1 more than 236. And when you will add 1 to 4567, when you will add 1 to 4567, that is 4568. And 4568 is successor of 4567. And you can also say that 4568 is 1 more than 4567. And in other words, you can say that 4568 is 1 more than 4567. Okay, so hence here we have proved that when 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of a number. Let's see another example. Here is 72,328. When 1 is added to 72,328, you can see here that a number is 72,329. And 72,329 is the successor of 72,328. So that is, and also 72,329 is 1 more than 72,328. And also you can say also that is 72,329 comes just after 72,328. Hence we have proved that when 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of the number. Okay. Now come on the next property, and the next property is that is very common property, and you know about it. We will discuss on it, and after that we have to learn some topics, that is checking addition. And after that, in checking addition, you know that firstly we have to add the numbers and check the answer by adding the reverse order. Okay, so we have to learn the next topic is that is checking addition. So firstly we have to learn topic. The next is when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. That means when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. As like 5 plus 0, 5, 10 plus 0, 10, 100 plus 0, 100, 1000 plus 0, 1000. Okay, so when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Let's see example here. That is 1000, tens, 100 and ones. The number is 2589 plus 0. 2589 plus 0, that is 9 plus 0, 9, 8 plus 8, 5 and 2. So 2589, the number itself. When you will add 0 to a number, you will find number itself. Okay, when you will add 0 to a number, you will find the number itself. Okay, so that is 2589 plus 0, that is 2589. Okay, now come on the next example, that is 46,075. 46,075, and that is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. When 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Okay, so 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 0, 7, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 0, 6 and 4 plus 0, 4. That is 46,075. Okay, so you can see here that when 0 is added to a number. Next example is that is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. And example is 52,789. 52,789 plus 0. 9 plus 0, 9, 8 plus 0, 8, 7 plus 0, 7, 2 plus 0, 2 and 5. That is 52,789. So in first example, you can see here that when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. 2589 plus 0, that is 2589. And yeah, in next example, you can see here that 46,075 plus 0, that is 46,075. Hence, that is proved when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. And now you can see in the next example, that is 52,789 plus 0, that is 52,789. Okay, so hence here we have proved when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Okay, and now we will learn. Now we are going to learn topic checking addition, and that is how we can check addition. So let's see the example of checking addition. So today now we will learn topic checking addition on next day, and today we have learned adding large numbers, and last day we have learned topic adding 4-digit number. In adding 4-digit number, we have learned addition without regrouping and addition with regrouping. And after that, we have learned topic adding large numbers. And in adding large numbers, we have learned topic addition without regrouping and addition with regrouping. And after that, today we have learned topic properties of addition. And there are 3 properties of addition, and we have learned. So you have to revise these topics regarding to your exam, and also we will learn next topic, that is checking addition, on next day, and we will discuss about how we can check addition by reversing the order. Okay, and until you have to watch the video and revise your portion for regarding to your exam. Thank you for watching the video. Keep continuing. We will meet with new video in new topic. Bye bye.